Welcome back to Jaginfo YouTube channel. If you like this video, subscribe and comment. If you know the answer, pause the video and post your comments. Let's start the funny and intelligence questions. This IAS interview preparation is a personality test will be scored on the below factors. Those are personality, mental alertness, social etiquettes, leadership skills, listening skills, current affairs, and logical and targeted answers, intelligent conversations, socio-economic issues, personal experiences, honesty and integrity, and balance of judgment. Based on these factors, personality test will be scored. Let's start the questions. How can you drop a raw egg onto a concrete floor without cracking? How can you drop a raw egg onto a concrete floor without cracking? Concrete floors are very hard to crack. This question is aimed at testing the mental alertness of the candidate. Its answer can be anything, like wrapping the egg into a soft woolen cloth or by dropping it from a low height, or anything but that is overthinking and not a thing out of the box. So this question clears the concept of out of the box thinking. Next question. What will you do if you run away with your sister? Answer. I would be very happy as I won't be able to find a better match for my sister than you. Explanation. This question is aimed at testing not only the quirky sense of humor but also the positive mindset of the candidate. Interviewer ordered a cup of coffee for the candidate. Coffee arrived and was kept before the candidate. What is before you? Answer. Alphabet T comes before you, so T is before you. Generally, a candidate would answer this with coffee. However, knowing that the panelist had ordered the coffee only to create the scenario whereby he could invoke this question needs some innovative thinking. The perfect answer to this question would be to completely ignore the coffee and look for an explanation in some other place. The candidate who got selected said tea is in front of him and gave the explanation that alphabet T comes before you and therefore T is before you. Next question. What happened when the wheel was invented? Answer. The candidate who got selected answered, it caused a revolution. Candidate used pun and personification figure of speech to convey a quirky answer. The answer has two levels to it, where in prime phase it conveys the basic function of a wheel, which is to revolve. On a deeper level, the invention of the wheel led to the basic foundation of mechanics causes a revolution changing the world and technology as we know today. Thus, the argument of revolution also stands true. Next question. Suppose you are driving along in your car on a wild stormy night. It's raining heavily when suddenly you pass by a bus stop and you see three people waiting for a bus. An old lady who looks as if she is about to die. An old friend who once saved your life. And the perfect partner you have been dreaming about. Which one would you choose to offer a ride to, knowing very well that there could only be one passenger in your car? Think. Answer. The candidate who cracked his interview with this question said he would give the car to his friend and tell him to drive the old lady to the hospital while he waits at the bus stop with his perfect partner. Although quite uncommon, but interview panel is known to use such questions to test the moral fiber of the candidate. This question is essentially one that put the candidate in a moral dilemma of sorts with respect to the decision. On one hand, the candidates being a good person would want to save the life of the old lady, which requires medical attention. Secondly, he can choose to repay his friend for saving his life by saving him from the storm. And thirdly, the perfect partner can also be a big priority for the person. To answer such questions, candidates need to think outside the box and expand the horizons of their thinking. Next question. What if one morning you woke up and found that you were pregnant? This question is asked to a female candidate. Answer. Girl is saying, I would be very happy, taken off and celebrate the good news with my husband. This question is aimed at testing how the candidate reacts to some shocking news. However, the news need not be shocking in a bad way only and can also have a positive outcome. In short, such answers show your positive bent of mind to the IAS interview panel. Normally, an unmarried girl will be shocked to hear this, but she managed it well. Why I should think it in the wrong way? She said later when asked. Next question. If you had 3 apples and 4 oranges in one hand and 4 apples and 3 oranges in the other hand, what would you have? Think. Answer is very large hands. I probably have answered 8 apples and oranges, and most of our respected viewers would have also thought it like that way if they were asked. But the candidate here answered it very wisely, which proved him intelligent out of the box. Next question. How can a man go 8 days without sleep? Answer. He sleeps at night. It's a common sense question. Here it is asked that how can a man go 8 days without sleep? Not asked about nights. Here it is only asked about days. So a man can easily go 8 days without sleep. Man will sleep at night. Next question. If it took 8 men 10 hours to build a wall, then how long would it take 4 men to build it? Answer. No time at all, because as it is already built, the wall has already made 8 people in 10 hours. No need to make it now. Next question. A cat had 3 kittens, January, March and May. What was the mother's name? The answer is in the question. A cat named is what? Interviews here check the presence of the mind of the student, and the student without a doubt replied with such an answer, which is expected from a future IAS officer. James Bond was pushed out of an airplane without any parachute. He survived. How? The plane was on a runway because James Bond jumped when the airplane was on the runway. Next question. One day if you went back to your home and finds your sister lying nude on the bed, then what you will do? I will cover my little sister inside the towel because a small kid gets affected to cold easily. Here it can be noticed clearly the interviewers want to provoke the candidate. You shouldn't lose your temper, because a brilliant candidate will always stay patient and give the best answer to the questions raised in front of him. If 2 is a company and 3 is the crowd, then what will be 4 and 5? Answer. 4 and 5, there is always 9. Many times a brilliant student gets doomed logically in a sea of aptitude and in the mathematical problems that he may get confused with easy problems due to overthinking. An IAS must maintain a balance between overthinking and thinking. Here is the question the interviewers check the same thing. Next question. What looks like of an apple? Tell me. What looks like of an apple? The second of apple. the other half. Another question for deviation, and this question can only be answered if the candidates giving the interview is facing it without any pressure and with full confidence. A killer was sentenced to death. Shown 3 rooms. The first room is on fire, second guns with the killer, and the third tiger who had not eaten for 3 years. What should he choose? A massive fire, a killer, a lion has not eaten 3 years. We'll choose room number 3 because 3 years will have died by now hungry. Lion. This question checks the decision making ability based on the facts and the common sense of the candidate who is giving the interview, which is clear by the answer. Next question. In which state is the Bay of Bengal? Tell me. In the liquid state. An IAS may have to experience such conditions in life which he may never have dreamt of. Thus, interviews sometimes ask such tricky questions which are hypothetical and such that it can confuse people. Next question. If you throw a red stone into the blue sea, then what will happen? The stone will be wet and sink. It will wet or sink, as simple as that. Again, a question that can only be solved by making a balance between logic and common sense. This is the mathematical calculation. Sum of few numbers, if you add, then it will be 30. This is the equation. The following are the numbers that you can use to fill in the brackets: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. You can repeat the numbers if required. The resulting sum should be 30. So 5 numbers you can use and the equation should be 30. There is no mention if you can use sign or not, and that's the only possible way to get. So the answer this is as follows. First, you can use the 2 numbers 15 minus 9, second 13 minus 7, third one is 7 minus 1, fourth one is 9 minus 1 and fifth one is 13 minus 9. If you calculate this inside the brackets, you will get 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4. So adding all these numbers you will get 30, which is required the sum. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.